Hi, I'm Jacob, Product Manager for Lincoln Electric, and I'm excited to talk to you today about the POWER MIG 262. This is an analog version of the 262 family and offers 300 amp output welding for MIG and for Flux-Core. With inputs of 208, 230, 460, and 575, this can run off of any single phase power. Its simple analog display has two 7-segment LEDs that are easy to use and easy to see. With simple features such as push-pull and spool gun compatibility, you can run aluminum on this machine as well. We've incorporated all the favorite features of the other 262 machines that our customers have come to know and to love. We've got 115 volt inputs on the front for running tools. We've got extra storage for tips and consumables up top, tool storage in the rear, and then it's got a built-in cart with storage for your tank as well. The POWER MIG 262 is a simple machine that has everything you need and nothing you don't. To find out more about it, feel free to visit us at lincolnelectric.com.